craving change this new year? Before you spiral down the dark hole of restricting your intake, change your mindset to adding more to your plate and stir-fry things up. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. And today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to cook up new habits this new year, starting with the stir-fry that uses over 5 vegetables. Tomato-Farro stir-fry. To begin, cook 1 1/4 cups of farro according to package directions, then let stand until cool. Farro is an ancient whole grain with double the protein and fiber of rice. Its chewy and nutty texture is easy to make and super satisfying. Next, in a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of coconut aminos, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 teaspoon of packed light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of sriracha sauce. Set this aside for now. Next, heat 1 teaspoon of Chosen Foods avocado oil in a large nonstick skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Then, add 1 pound of lean ground beef, 2 cups of broccoli florets, 1 cup of shredded carrots, and 1 sliced red bell pepper. Cook for 5 minutes or until beef is brown, breaking up the beef occasionally. When that's done, add cooled farro and 1 cup of sugar snap peas. Next, add the soy sauce mixture and cook until farro is heated through, stirring occasionally. After that, stir in 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Garnish this delicious stir-fry dish with a 1/4 cup of finely chopped green onion. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. Your path to a healthier you starts at Hy-Vee. Let our team of registered dietitians help provide nutritional guidance and support tailored to your lifestyle.